right then.
Gentlemen, I see the briefcase is safe.
Safe and
Yeah, it is.
Tell me, did anyone happen to kill a red spy on the way here? No? Then we still have a problem.
Ooh, big problem. That's why I killed plenty of spies. The dime a dozen backstabbing scumbags. Like you. No offense.
If you managed to kill them, I assure you they were not like me. And nothing like the man loose inside this building.
What are you, president of his fan club?
No. That would be your mother.